A senior Ukrainian security official has said his country could soon receive Himars rockets with a range of up to 300 kilometers from Western partners. Alexei Danilov told a news conference that the US-supplied high-mobility artillery rocket system has markedly changed the situation on the front, helping Ukrainian forces achieve fire parity with Russia in certain areas. Danilov, who is Secretary of Ukraine's National Security and Defense Council, said Ukraine could soon receive rockets with a range of up to 300 kilometers for the Himars system. Ukraine is now able to strike targets up to 80 kilometers away. The situation is totally different than a month ago, Danilov said, referring to the arrival of the Himars in late June. Danilov added, "When it comes to the Himars, we have already begun to receive much longer range rockets than at the beginning. And hopefully such long-range rockets will arrive in our country in the near future." Danilov noted that the US-led Ukraine Defense Contact Group would meet again this week, with Ukraine's Defense Minister Alexei Reznikov among the participants, and ahead of the meeting, Reznikov held a telephone conversation with US Secretary of Defense Lloyd Austin. Reznikov tweeted afterwards, "I discussed with our great friend Lloyd J. Austin III the upcoming meeting within the framework of Ramstein. We agreed on the agenda, shared information on the control of arms arriving to Ukraine." Defense Secretary Lloyd Austin said that the US will be sending Ukraine 4 additional high-mobility artillery rocket systems in another security assistance package to be announced later this week. In opening remarks at a virtual meeting of the Ukraine Defense Contact Group, Austin said the incoming package will be the 16th drawdown of weapons from the Pentagon's inventory since August 2021. The pending announcement comes as Russia's invasion of Ukraine nears its 6th month and Ukraine is looking to defend itself in its eastern Donbas region. Austin said this was a critical phase of the conflict, meaning our collective support for Ukraine is vital and urgent. Russia thinks that it can outlast Ukraine and outlast us. But that's just the latest in Russia's string of miscalculations, he added. The Himars allowed the Ukrainians to more precisely strike targets from greater distances inside Ukraine. Both US and Ukrainian officials have touted their effectiveness on the battlefield. Speaking to reporters later on Wednesday, Joint Chiefs of Staff Chairman General Mark Milley said that more than 200 Ukrainians have been trained on the systems. The systems in the upcoming package would bring the number of launchers the US has sent to 16. The US has sent 12 thus far, most recently sending 4 in a $400 million assistance package announced on July 8. In addition to the Himars, the upcoming package will include more rounds of multiple launch rocket systems and artillery ammunition. In his remarks, Austin touted other countries that have stepped up their support for Ukraine, such as the United Kingdom sending its own MLRS systems and Poland agreeing to transfer 3 battalions of 155mm self-propelled howitzers. The Pentagon chief also thanked Norway for working with the US to transfer 2 National Advanced Surface-to-Air Missile Systems, also known as Norwegian Advanced Surface-to-Air Missile Systems. The systems were included in an $820 billion weapons package to Ukraine announced on July 1. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.